chip cookies. Chocolate chip cookies.
In the kitchen with ingredients so mixing chocolate chips making cookies sweet.
Gummy bears. Gummy bears.
Gummy bears so squishy and sweet and colorful. Use their tasty treat.
Candy bars. Candy bars.
Candy bars are so yummy and bright, wrapped in shiny paper of delicious delight.
Jelly beans. Jelly beans.
Jelly beans in colors so bold in our mouth they dance and unfold.
Marshmallows. Marshmallows.
Marshmallows fluffy and light in the fires, glow they melt just right.
Cotton candy. Cotton candy.
Cotton candy pink and sweet melts in our mouths a tasty treat.
Cupcakes. Cupcakes.
Cupcakes with frosting so bright baked with love a delicious delight.
Ice cream cones. Ice cream cones.
Ice cream cones and flavors galore scoops of joy we always want more.
Lollipops. Lollipops.
Lollipops on sticks so tall rainbow swirls, we love them all.
Fruit gummies. Fruit gummies.
Fruit gummies chewy and sweet in shapes and flavors, they're a tasty treat.
Donuts. Donuts.
Donuts, round and golden brown with glaze and sprinkles yummiest in town.
Chocolate covered pretzels. Chocolate covered.
Chocolate covered pretzels are really too tasty, smoke a delicious treat.
Brownies. Brownies.
Brownies, fudgy and warm chocolate goodness, a delightful charm.
Popsicles. Popsicles.
Popsicles I see in bright colors swirling, the sweet delight.
Chocolate pudding. Chocolate pudding.
Chocolate pudding creamy and smooth scoops in, pulls our favorite groove.
Caramel apples. Caramel apples.
Caramel apples shiny and sweet and sticky, with crunch is found.
Licorice twists. Licorice twists.
Licorice was long and sweet, chewy but so tasty. Treat.
These treats are sure to bring smiles to kids' faces.